It says wreck in red.
Yes.
I saw this part and it's just like,
Oh, that's tight. Yeah. Like all through here.
You still stretch? We'll get your butt whooped
Every time.
every time.
And for some reason, everyone thinks I'm flexible.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know if I look. Oh yeah, I need this. I feel that in here. Okay.
Good.
I don't know that one.
Lateral. Oh, it's getting a little looser.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is great.
All the time.
Yeah.
Especially if they have like no idea.
Yeah. I got kind of burnt out from like lifting weights, but I needed something to do.
Absolutely.
So I've been going lately.
Yeah, you still always want to strength train no matter what.
Yeah.
Some sort of way.
Yeah, exactly.
It's so important.